Honey sock.
Yeah.
Wow, man.
He can't talk. He's like,
Is he alright, love?
This is really spicy.
Not that one. This one. Do you want?
milk is
I give you $20. Zach, $20?
that's not bad.
$100.
I want that.
You want?
Nah.
Guys, gagawa kami ng
Do you want that out, milk?
ano?
Yeah.
Spicy. Samyang noodles
Samyang
Do you wanna
noodles
try it
challenge
again,
times
Zach?
2.
No more?
You're done?
No.
Oh, let's watch it. Come on.
No, we're waiting for Kat. Kat, ikaw na lang ang kulang, Kat. You want?
Watch out, camera, mate. Don't
Knock, knock the camera. Honey, make sure she's not gonna see it.
What, see what?
The camera, because she's gonna shake it.
Come on, go around that side for a sec.
Go doon na. Oh, Heron. Guys, kung may may umiiyak, intindihin nyo na lang kasi mother kami.
Mother na si
bata.
Reyes.
Mother-
Marami siyang mga anak.
Mga ano niya, mga pamangkin.
Mga inaanak.
Oh,
O, di ba? Magiging inaanak at inaanak.
Talaga.
Nagpalinyag ka sa kanya.
Wala pa.
Wala pa kay ikaw na
Pag
naman
lumaki
yan.
kay,
Ninang
lumaki na
Uday
siya.
yan.
Pag lumaki na.
Ninang ako lahat.
Alis din na.
Ako ang pambansang ninang.
Kuya, give the iPad for Holly. Give the iPad. Dali. Get the iPad for Holly.
Hala,
Holly.
patay. Huli.
She wants to come here because she loves this.
I don't even know how to use it.
Ganun man, doy. Oh, ayan, oh. Open mo lang siya.
Baba.
Maganda yan eh, para wala kang
Kasi
makakami.
ano to?
Come here.
Patay, challenge na yung yung noodles. Challenge pa yung chopstick.
Oo nga. Napaka-challenging nga yung noodles. Yung chopstick.
No.
No more.
Hindi ka talaga nag-try mag-chopstick sa una eh.
Hindi, mag-chopstick naman ako manay. Mas marunong pa ako niyan kaysa dito.
Yeah.
Da, ihatag sa iyahan eh.
Meron,
Try
Sak,
ko nga.
Sak, can you get the blue chopstick for Tita Reyes? The blue one?
Mas mahirap to.
Get the blue one.
Siguro dahil maliit na eh.
Over here, Jack.
See it? Yeah. Yeah, give it to Holly. No, she will be alright. Wala.
She wants
Ano?
Ano? Hindi ko alam. Very
Kung
good.
Ano, nasa na?
Kung i-ano na lang kaya natin,
Thank
ganito
you
namin
sa-
lahat.
Alam mo, gagawin ko
Isang kainan na lang, gaya, tapos na.
Kung kaya mo dahil, wag mo
Wala, sinasabi ko lang kung anong...
Yeah.
Noodles are easy to eat with chopsticks.
Huwag mong
it's
is...
fine.
Okay? Tingnan mo yung chopstick
Ang
mo.
liit, oy.
Kaya mo yan eh, para challenge.
Kaya ko naman.
Hindi man makita yung ano mo. Guys, may ice cream pala kami at saka milk, just in case. Ano ba ang challenge? Kung sino ang unang...
Uminom niya.
Uminom
Wala,
niya?
talo na dahil. Kasi
Need a
siya may
spoon for the ice cream.
Oh yeah, thank you. And pero dapat kailangan pa
May
rin
mga
maubos.
supportive.
Oh, wait, wait, no,
May mga nakatayo.
Yung mga asawa namin guys nandun, no?
Kailangan natin maubos talaga, no?
Andun sila, oh. Ayan.
Ayan.
Mga supportive sila. Hinihintay lang namin si Kat.
Kailan pa kaya matutulog yung bata?
Kailan kaya yun mangyayari? Si Baby kasi
Kailan kaya yun
Kwentuhan muna tayo,
Used to
guys.
hot stuff slowly.
ay ayun no, mas
That was the
ano
same.
na siya, mas closer, no? Sige, mga
Mas wide ang
Come on, like,
camera. Yung
At saka ang linaw.
tayo.
going in and hot.
Kaya-
iPhone 6 yan?
plus.
After.
Ah, joke
Pero
sana
sa'yo-
yung akin eh.
Pero alam mo, Day, ano ha? Ang ganda ng quality, hindi mo malalaman na...
Okay lang ba sa ano? Sa,
Uy,
Masabi nga ni Riz, mas shaky pa sa kanya kaysa sa'yo.
oo nga eh. Masyaki pa yung camera ko kaya nga bumili
kaya
ako
nga
ng
eh,
bago.
huwag niyo sabihin maganda na to, mas maganda ang camera, uy.
Oo, pero
See you, hon.
I've got that video anyway. You can watch the vlog.
You
Yeah,
can- you can-
Yeah, yeah,
see
yeah.
ya. Good night.
Then, what are you doing tomorrow? You take when I get in.
Yeah,
go
we'll
back
wait,
out.
wait for you. and
No,
we'll
but you can do fish in the jetty if you want in the morning.
Yeah.
I'll just take
If we
it
get there.
dinghy.
Or dinghy. What do you...
I know, probably the dinghy because we've got no idea what we're doing, to be honest with you. So anything we get is like,
Okay, and then wanna go somewhere? May Lovely said you promised that you have
Are we
to-
going to the lake?
you guys can.
Oh,
The
see?
cars are here.
That's
the keys
right.
are here.
Oh,
You don't
yeah.
need
Ay,
us.
pero
Ay,
I can't drive there. Ako lang, Day.
It's easier than the city.
Oh, it's easy. It's
Oh yeah, there's no cars.
There's size packed down here.
Ano, joke lang yun. Oh.
I just changed it.
Ah,
Oh,
dang.
can't win, can
Okay lang, Day. ano ka na lang,
finally,
gitna.
nandito na siya, Day.
Gitna ka. So, una si Manay, tapos ikaw gitna.
Anong gitna?
Saan
Dito ka, Day.
Ay,
Dito ka na.
Tatlo sasakyan.
Dito ka na.
Sasali ako?
Of course!
Hintay ka namin
Oy,
kanina.
kanina, ikaw
Dry na yung noodles.
Dry na, Day. Dito ka, Day. Huwag
Dry
ka
na yung noodles, Day.
Hindi, para lang magkasya siya.
Oh, dali. Wait, can we
Yeah.
have that tissue there, please?
This is her channel. That's fine, behind the
Those,
scenes.
yeah. Ayan. Hala, okay na ba? Eto na, guys.
Danny,
Pag may umiyak.
that's right there. Just behind the scenes.
Film for 2 seconds.
Day. Ano?
I think this is a whole meal.
Be quiet, Holly. Beb!
Oh my goodness.
Wait.
Ito, kailangan pa daw ubusin.
Eto na, guys. Magsisimula na kami. Pasensya nyo na kung maingay ang background kasi, you know, home along the release ngayon ang bahay ko. Pero sobrang saya. So, okay?
Sobrang saya ha.
Alisin man, ang dami na. Tatakman ka naman.
Give
Oy.
5 minutes to be done.
Okay, don't. Oy, akala ko.
Are you ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oy.
Amoy pala.
Wait, thumbnail muna. Ala na, dumikit pa lang.
We've got one out already.
Kaya!
Wait,
No.
wait. Oh my god, that is so spicy.
I need, ano.
Oh my god, that's so hot, man.
Yes, it is.
If you drink it, lose. I need my
Eat
life.
quickly.
Oh.
Eat it quickly. You think about it too much, and then you're gonna. Where's Spike
Hindi ko kaya lang.
No,
When you stop.
Pwede ko uminom, Day? Pwede ko
pwede
uminom?
kang uminom.
Already?
That's mine!
Oh my God,
I need
Hoy, we need a cup. Hoy, Day.
Well, you have to eat it all or what?
You gotta finish it. Yeah.
Nangangagat siya, Day. Nangangagat siya. Hindi ko kaya
Kumain,
Day.
kumain ka na, Day.
Hindi ko kaya talaga, Day.
Here, bub. Yeah.
Nah, I can't do it.
Wait, hoy, hoy, wag niyo akong iwan.
Look at you.
You got a cup.
Day.
Dali, Day.
Dan, can I have...
What do you want? A spoon? A fork?
Yes, please. Spoon.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, my lip!
Ang galing ni Reis, oh. Nakaya niya.
Wag mo likadakit sa,
I
ano.
can't.
Sobrang ahang niya.
Here, Bubsy.
This is double. My tongue!
Your tongue.
Ice cream, Day. Ice cream.
Gotta eat the noodles, not the ice cream. Oh my god.
What is this?
Nauubos na niya, nauubos na niya.
Wala na kasi yan. Oh my God!
Day, labanan mo, Day, kasi wala na siyang challenge, Day. Ikaw na lang.
I've never seen anyone pour milk that quickly.
She's lactose intolerant.
Oh my God. Ayaw mawala, Day.
Ayaw talaga. Nangangagat siya, Day.
Ice cream! Oh my God. Naman, Ay.
Huwag kayo maingay, kain na lang.
Are you eating Raz? Watch, I'm gonna go for it.
Come here. I'm at the back. This is big pile.
Han. Try ka. Si Dan ang try.
No, you should try this. This is nothing.
No,
I mean,
I'm gonna try it.
the one we had was nothing.
Yeah. No, this is...
Oo, yung ahang niya.
Tumulog yung sipon ko.
Galing mo
Manay, you're the
na.
best.
You're the best, Day.
Manay!
Shaking.
Hindi ako pwedeng nag-breastfeed
You
nito.
have to.
Danny,
You gold medal.
that's 2 times spicy. It's too spicy. Oh my God, Dan! Ice cream, Dan!
Oh, Daddy, stop.
Thank you. Si Manay. The best.
Oh,
Ano bus ni Dan?
Hala, ino mo si Dan? Ikaw, Han. Akin na yan. Akin na si baby.
Ice cream, masakit pa din. Ice cream.
Hoy, ang galing ni
Dan.
Manay.
Wala, di na mawala, Day.
Stop.
itry mo kasi.
You'll be sick, man.
No.
Gatas na, Day.
Inside the body.
Bro, just one.
No, stop that.
Now my
Ang
hands are
sarap
fire.
sana niya talaga.
You're dreaming. Like,
Ang ahang lang.
Hindi nawawala.
Ano na?
Dapat pala, alam mong gawin natin. Hindi natin
Dapat, wag niyong ilagay sa lips.
sa dila.
Saan pala? Tangipin lang. Tangipin.
Ang ina. Ang angang naman lang.
She said you shouldn't touch your lip.
tried in your life?
Yeah.
It is
Yan.
really spicy.
Hindi nila natapos, guys.
Hindi ko nga ano eh, isang kain lang natin.
Tinry ko na. Ay, nubos din yung akin. Ano na?
Wala na. Ang pangit na namin dagat.
Pumula ka na.
Oh my god.
You're sweating. It's so spicy. Hindi nawawala.
Good job, Day. Nanginginig siya.
Yeah, good job, Tony. You only got that finish in it.
Oh,
Nanalo ka dahil. Channel mo talaga to.
sana pa na. Oy, ang anghang-gay, nandito na siya. Oh.
That wasn't nice, that.
I think you should make a vote that all of these people have to use that toilet from now on.
Yeah.
Ay, shit, nandiyan. Kumagat na siya, dahil. Ayan na siya. Umuusok na, Loy. Ice cream, dahil.
Yeah, shit.
Yeah, 'cause
Ano na yung asawa mo, Day?
it's on.
Nag-aalala yung asawa mo sa'yo, Day.
My stomach's sore. I already.
Dahil yung usok nandito na, dahil. Oh.
Grabe ang anghang, Day.
May mangga rin. Bakit parang may mangga yung ice cream?
Wala na, Day. Nag-numb na yung mga ano natin.
Hindi, meron ako. Meron.
Dahil yung anghang nandito na, dahil. Oh, pag ganun ko, dahil.
Grabe si ano, naubos.
Ay, hala.
Well, I got big tripod.
Oh, Beb.
Good luck. When you go to the toilet.
Oh.
Right.
Oh, yung anghang. Yung anghang, ngayon ko na nafe-feel kanina. Hindi ko siya nafe-feel na sobra.
Naubos ni Manay.
Ngayon, sobra.
Naubos niya.
Wala akong masabi.
Bakit hindi pa rin nawawala yung akin?
Hindi.
5-11 in.
Day, kinain mo ba? Marami, madami.
Dalawang chopstickan.
Nagugusbam na ako sa anghang, dahil. Ang anghang niya, ngayon ko na siya nafe-feel.
Manay, kuha ka pang ano? Spare glass, Manay.
Ako na wala na.
Spare glass.
Ayan, oh.
Andun, meron naman pa.
Mag-wine tayo.
Use that.
Oh, shit.
Nalaglag.
Wala na, guys. Guys, that is for today's vlog. Challenge pala to.
Oo.
Ayun, ang
Huwag mo
anghang.
isabay ito sa vlog ha. Iba tong video.
Nga pala, iba pala to. Challenge pala to. Hoy, ang anghang, guys. Ay, ay, ay. Paano to maalis?
Hindi pa nawawala.
Sobrang anghang niya talaga. Kahit naantok na ako, wala akong tulog at 24/7. Pero nakagising
Oh
siya
my
sa
God,
akin,
the
my God.
spices dyan. Hoy, my tongue.
I know. Why did you finish that? You don't even like spicy food.
I know, but that was a challenge. I wanted to-
No, you're not even included in the
Oh,
challenge.
good.
It wasn't even your challenge.
You were horrible at the challenge.
Ala, paano siya, oy? Ang kilig-kilig ko, bumubula na sa pawis. Sa sobrang anghang.
Oo nga guys.
You gotta eat it quickly.
Yeah, that's
Well,
right.
I did it in fresh things.
I don't feel at first.
Nah, you don't.
I don't know.
No, I felt the first.
Nah,
No, because maybe you,
Yeah.
Tingnan mo
Yeah.
you just have to swallow.
Yeah, yeah, that's exactly right. That's what I was doing.
But after that, whoo!
Yeah.
Guys, ang anghang, guys. Uy.
Sobra, uy. Pero sa akin wala na eh. Isang subo lang ako eh.
Ito kay Love, oh. Hindi niya naman trinay. Inamoy niya lang. Ito kay Ka. Si Dan, yung kay Rice, inubos ni Dan. Ang hindi ako makapagsalita.
Alam, ano dapat? Inubos ng isang subo? Dapat?
Dapat.
Huwag ilagay sa dila.
Damihan mo, tapos swallow ko ng swallow. Huwag ka mag-chew. You don't chew, just
You don't
swallow.
chew. Nah.
That's what I did.
And I eat like a duck anyway.
Yeah,
So I
like-
put the food in my mouth and just swallow it
I
normally.
know.
So. Yeah, put the leg back and just let it drop.
Wala akong masabi sa sinabi mo na huwag daan sa dila. Saan namin yung idadaan sa ilong?
Dahil ilunok lang ba?
Didadaan pa.
Ganun dahil. Oh my God.
Ako din. Kumain ako ng, uminom ako ng gatas, dalawang, I don't even like milk. And I finished 2 glasses of milk.
Did you?
Tuma na eh, oo. Tapos ice cream, hindi pa na
Uy,
nawawala.
nanginginig ako, Day. Ba't Dan?
Your face red back.
Yeah, it's really red. I'm
My
shaking.
mouth is red as well. Top of my mouth, my tongue.
Your tongue is normal.
Yung tangday, para siyang naday.
Eh, hindi to ko dahil. Pero ngayon okay na.
Tsaka mga umoy ko.
Pag nawala siya ng lamig, gumagano na naman siya.
Pero may flame.
Pardon.
May kulot, no?
Nangangagat siya dahil. Okay ka na.
Ang anghang.
Sobra.
Ano, pero anong kaya mo sa anghang? Yung intensity? Kaya mo
Yung,
yung
yung ano, yung parang, ang tawag nun? Yung parang sanggaria, yung chili na maliit.
Oo.
Kaya ko siyang mabite. Tapos ano?
Kumakain pala ng sili.
Pero, kasi sa Bicol,
Kumakain ka pala ng sili.
sa Bicol kasi, ang ano, spicy talaga ang food. So, kaya ko siya. Pero,
Sana,
grabe.
yung challenge ito, pakain sa mga tabi Bicolano kung kaya nila. Baka kaya nila yan.
Hindi
Kaya
naman
yan.
siguro lahat talaga ng Bicolano. Ano?
Hindi naman. Yung marunong lang. Kaya lang.
Ano marunong?
Kaya lang kumain.
Marunong kumain ng sili, day. Mga
Dahil
lasing
na-
na kahit wala
Hindi
mga
siya
alis yung
mahilig.
ano.
Hindi naman siya ano sa spicy, pero kumakain siya sili.
Yeah, no, I'm all good. I've done it before, but that was harder than the last time.
Ano yung challenge ng kapatid mo? Ganito ba?
Hindi, yung ano,
Purple yan eh.
yung...
Hindi yan.
Hindi, yung original.
Yung ano yung...
Yung original o black, yung binigay ni
Kunin mo
Kuya.
nga day yung ano please, yung...
Rapper.
Yung wrapper. Nandun sa basurahan na. Ipakita lang na. Hindi na. Pakita ba natin?
Ay, iba
China,
pala.
what's your? Can we use your Wi-Fi password? For
Yeah.
the tablet?
Yeah,
No,
off
share.
the tablet.
For the tablet. Is it like a?
Turn the Wi-Fi on and then it will tell me to share it to you.
They love best. Tinatikman mo.
Where's my
Ano,
phone?
Oo, dahil.
Kunti
pero
lang.
konting-kunti, dahil.
Sabi niya kasi, tinignan niyo muna.
Hindi na.
Natakot na ako sa inyo. Dahil kaya sabi ko, ganito na lang. O, tas,
Kasi pagkadikit ko pa lang sa labi ko, nangagat na.
tas may lipstick ka pa, kapal pa ng lipstick, tas umano agad siya
Wala
dahil.
talaga, dumikit talaga siya.
Pag hindi siya, wala na siya. Dahil, mauubos ko na yung ice cream.
Naubos mo yung noodles eh.
Kasi, hindi ko siya maramdam kasi swallow lang ako ng swallow, di ba? Ngayon.
Kailan natin gagawin yung ano mo?
Ngayon na din.
Habang nandiyan pa.
Yes.
Babe, do you like your iPad?
Best.
Ay, open
Best
yun yan.
friend ever. Ang ganda talaga ng foundation
What?
mo doon.
Yeah?
I like it.
I like it. Bagay na bagay sa kulay ko.
Guys,
Oo nga
okay.
eh.
Bye na tayo, guys.
Ayan, babay pala tayo.
Ay, oo nga
Uy,
pala.
nasa- Ito pala yung...
Siya na nanalo, guys. Siya na nanalo.
So, yan.
Pasensya
Wala.
naman doon sa
Ang
reaction
anghang,
ko.
guys.
Okay.
Hanggang ngayon.
Ang anghang talaga.
Maanghang talaga. Ngayon, nafe-feel ko na yung cake ng spicy. Nandito siya lahat, oh.
Ano, wala ni ako.
Ako wala na. Kasi ako yung pinaka-content, tapos ang dami ko kinain ice cream. Sabi ko,
Babay na tayo.
Bye. Paano, bye.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Si Lovely,
Bumirang.
ano lang siya? Isa lang na ano. Tapos na, guys.
Guys, talagang buong sa kanya ng ulo ka.
Oh, dahil, paano, dahil, papindot naman, dahil.
Oh,
Asa ba yung ano mo, oy?
oh.